For companies to lead the connected value chain, they must embrace digital manufacturing transformation to drive competitive advantage. But they don't have to do it alone. Transformation happens when you partner with Movilitas. Our team of experts understands manufacturing, from production, quality, plant maintenance, inventory to traceability, to create a new era of connected insights for manufacturers. With SAP MII, you can control all your manufacturing operations within a single solution. Operators can streamline their daily tasks, increasing production quality, reducing scrap, and improving the business profitability to create a zero-fault tolerance environment. Our experienced team connects the shop floor and the top floor with real-time data, creating business insights. With this bi-directional connection between plant-level applications and SAP S/4HANA, leaders can make more informed and faster decisions. To power your company's digital transformation journey, learn more about the Movilitas SAP MII solutions today.